When you receive your cat, it will be double bagged. So the first thing you need to do is remove the outer bag and then open the inner bag. Cut as close to the seal as the packaging will allow. This will give you enough space at the top of the bag to be able to twist the top and fold it over. You will secure the top with a rubber band. You will be double bagging your cat. Twist the top on the outer bag and fold it over just like you did with the inner bag. You will need scissors, a probe, and forceps. You will want to make a small incision in the lower back of the cat. Use the probe to loosen the skin from the muzzle and cut straight down the back toward the head. When you get to where the arms are, you're going to go off in either direction towards the paws. Use the probe again to loosen the skin and cut first toward the elbow and then toward the wrist. Cut around each wrist in order to loosen the skin from the rest of the body. You'll need to do this with all four legs. Next, you need to cut around the head. Stay behind the ears and cut all the way around to the front. The last step is to cut around the tail. Gently peel the skin away from the cat and keep the skin in order to wrap the cat with it when you are finished with each lab. This will prevent your cat from drying out.